Did you know you can get ChatGPT working for free in Google Sheets? Let me show you how. Now, I know a lot of y'all are working with a lot of data, and let's say you got a whole sheet of survey responses and you want to run some sentiment analysis. And sentiment analysis is just really understanding what are the feelings behind what this customer is saying and their feedback, their comments, etc. So here's how easy it is. I'm going to show you on my sheet here. I have a sheet filled with survey responses. In column B, that's the comment that the survey respondent has left. They're providing feedback about the service or the product. So in column F, all I have to do is simply hit equals GPT. And what that's going to do is it's going to call GPT now into this sheet. Once I call GPT, I'm going to hit enter. And then I'm going to put in quotations. So you're going to start with quotations. And this is where you're going to want to put your prompt. So I'm simply going to say, simple prompt, analyze the sentiment of the comment. Then I'm going to close my prompt with quotations. Then I'm going to space and I'm going to add the and symbol. And I want to reference what cell do I want it to review or read from, okay? So I'm going to select that cell. As you see, it entered B2. And then I'm simply going to close this formula and I'm going to click enter. And right now, GPT is analyzing the comment and then it's going to come back with the result. And so as you can see here in column F, it's saying the sentiment of the comment is pretty much negative. All right, it's going to break down some of the points that it observed. So it shows frustration with services. The commenter expresses dissatisfaction with the inability to deposit payroll checks, emphasis on hard work. The phrase, your money that you work hard for, suggests that the comment feels that their effort and hard work is not being respected. All right, now, if you want this to be just a one word sentiment like negative or let's see, frustrated, however you want, that is where your prompt skills come in. You're going to specify more in your prompt where we had put analyze the sentiment of this comment. We would say and respond only with and give it examples negative, positive, happy, frustrated, whatever you want it to respond with or how you want it to respond, you're going to have to tell it that. All right. Another great thing is you can then drag this formula down to your other rows and it will start reading those rows and applying the sentiment that it's observing for those each particular comment. It's populating those other comments. All right. So now we don't even need any more extra plugins, no more subscription fees, because I used to use a plugin called GPT for Sheets, as you see here. It was actually recently it went to pay as you go model. So, I mean, cool for them, but I'm all about free 99. So I made this Google app script that lets me call GPT directly from Google Sheets. And this is, let me give you a view of what that script looks like. All you really need is an API key from OpenAI. And don't worry, there's like plenty of step-by-step guides on YouTube that y'all can follow. But you would just simply put your API key into this particular script here. And then in Google Sheets, you're going to want to go to extensions and you're going to select app scripts. I'm not going to open it because I don't need y'all knowing my key. But that is where you would then paste your script that I was just showing you over here. So this is definitely a game changer, y'all. If you're working with some data that you want to organize or label or anything like that, really use your imagination, figure out how it would be useful for you because everyone has their own use case. But for me, this one, I just wanted to analyze some sentiment and generate what that sentiment was, and it did just that. Anyways, I hope that's helpful, y'all. I'm gonna play around some more with this. All right, y'all, I'm out. Bye.